Well guys, I think we have a bit of a problem. This is a 2002 Toyota Tacoma, and we have a broken lower ball joint. This will be fun to fix. Since I don't have a lot of space in here, I'm gonna jack up the vehicle, and then I'm gonna jack up the lower control arm so I can attach the ball joint. Yeah, I think it's a little broken. There's the ball joint right there, not connected to where it goes in. We've got 4 bolts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are 14 millimeter. A little bit of penetrating fluid, WD-40, and they're coming right out. Now before I completely disconnect this lower piece, I still have 1 bolt hanging in there. I'm gonna disconnect the tie rod end. Now to disconnect this tie rod end, it's gonna be a 7/8, and I'm having a little trouble with it, so I gotta push on it with my foot. So it turns out we had to replace the tie rod end. It was completely bad. It was just flopping around in there. To do the tie rod, you just loosen this nut and unscrew it like this, and it comes out. Now onto the ball joint. We need to loosen this nut right here on the bottom. As far as I can tell, it's a 15/16. It seems to be fitting. That was way too easy to pop out. There it is, there's the ball joint, completely just gone. The new one actually comes pre-installed in this control member here. So we have to attach this using the new hardware. All right, I got the nut on the bottom. Now it's time to hook up the tie rod end. And to do that, we just unscrew this and put it right in here. And once you get everything torqued down to spec, put your cotter pins in, put your wheel back on, go get in alignment, and you're ready to go. I want to thank you guys for joining me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.